Day 2, Agentforce versus Flows versus Chatbots, Renewals Context. Before we compare Agentforce to Flows and Chatbots, we need a shared context. I am going to use renewals as the anchor example, not because it's the only use case, but because it exposes the problem Agentforce is trying to solve better than almost anything else. Renewals look simple on the surface. A policy is expiring. Pricing needs to be finalized. Documents go out. Coverage continues. Salesforce has automated this kind of work for years. But anyone who has worked on enterprise renewals knows that the hard part is not execution. The hard part is judgment. Renewals sit at the intersection of revenue retention, risk management, broker relationships, customer history, and executive visibility. That makes them predictable in structure but unpredictable in outcome. Keep that in mind. Now let's talk about the tools. Flows and rules first. Flows work extremely well in renewals when the logic is clear and deterministic. For example, if a renewal is approved, generate documents. If enrollment changes, recalculate pricing. If the effective date is approaching, send notifications. Once the decision is made, flows are exactly what you want. They are fast, consistent, and explainable. This is not where Agentforce competes. Now chatbots. Chatbots are useful in renewals for communication. They can answer questions like, when is this renewal due? What changed from last year? Who do I contact? They help brokers, AEs, and internal teams navigate information. They guide, they summarize, they respond, but they don't decide. And enterprises don't want them to. Now comes the part renewals are infamous for. A group technically qualifies for renewal, but enrollment dropped, claims increased. The broker is asking for an exception. The account has long-term strategic value, and leadership is watching retention numbers closely. There is no clean rule for this. If you try to model it entirely with flows, the logic becomes brittle. If you try to handle it with a chatbot, you introduce unexplainable risk. This is where Agentforce fits. Agentforce exists to evaluate situations before execution happens. In a renewal context, that means looking at signals, not just thresholds, considering historical and situational context, operating within defined business guardrails, and then producing judgment, not action, a recommendation, a flag, a drafted rationale, an escalation. Agentforce does not replace approval processes. It does not auto-execute pricing changes. It does not bypass accountability. It helps determine what should happen next. Think of it this way. Flows execute renewal decisions. Chatbots communicate renewal information. Agentforce helps decide which renewal path should even be considered. This distinction matters, and it will come up again. In later episodes, we'll keep coming back to renewals to explore how Agentforce reasons about risk, how boundaries are enforced, and how humans stay accountable. For now, the takeaway is simple. Recap. Renewals expose the limits of deterministic automation. Flows are for execution. Chatbots are for interaction. Agentforce is for judgment under uncertainty. These tools are complementary by design. Once you frame it this way, Agentforce stops feeling like new automation and starts looking like a missing layer Salesforce finally added.